Today we have Chris coming out to help us out here, and we are hopefully going to be fixing this tractor and digging our water line in up at the top. This tractor, I'll show you, it's blown a line up in the boom. These older ones have everything inside, so up inside here, way up in there, we blew one of these lines here. I believe it's one of these two lines, so we're hopefully going to this is the pin to pull this piston. There's a piston in here, so we're gonna pull that pin and hopefully we can get those lines out, and hopefully it's relatively cheap to get them fixed. We'll see. We scored ourselves a nice little lean-to area when we covered everything down here, and we were able to fit the tractor up in here. So where's that ram, Chris? Oh, there it is. We pulled that ram out of here, and it goes way up in there, but we're not after that. We're after, it's one of these two lines. It's either, let's see, it's gonna be this one or it's gonna be that one. Yeah, that one. One of them's broken up in there. We think it probably split. So we're gonna try to pull those out now. Those are the lines that we pulled out of all this. It actually was a little bit easier than we thought, which is always a good thing.
For now.
For now. I shouldn't have said that, because now it's not going to be very easy. We're going to go get some more lines, or at least get these ones tested and see what's what. Tractor is fixed. It's fixed. The line is not leaking. These are the lines that we put on. These are some nice plastic lines with this nice wrap on it, so it's not gonna rub up in there. Those lines aren't cheap, turns out, so that's cool. But we appreciate him letting us use it, so it was a small price to pay for what this thing did. So that was cool. So we got it fixed. We're actually done with it, so I think, are we bringing it back?
Bringing it back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't really need it anymore. So.
It's been handy.
Yeah. It's been good. Another wet day. So, keep going. What's next?
Finishing the thing, right?
The water line.
The water line.
Yeah. Cool. Got grease on my nose.
Smooth sailing.
Smooth sailing.
filled in. What do you guys think? Got a water line in. June, get over here. Come on.